డ్రెస్సింగ్ రూమ్లో లుకలుకలంటూ జరుగుతున్న చర్చలపై ఇండియన్ క్రికెట్ టీం ప్రధాన కోచ్ గౌతమ్ గంభీర్ స్పందించారు. కోచ్ ఆటగాళ్ల మధ్య చర్చలు డ్రెస్సింగ్ రూమ్ వరకే పరిమితం కావాలన్నారు. డ్రెస్సింగ్ రూమ్లో నిజాయితీ కలిగిన వ్యక్తులు ఉన్నంత వరకు భారత క్రికెట్ భద్రంగా ఉంటుందని స్పష్టం చేశారు. ఆస్ట్రేలియాతో చివరి టెస్టుకు పేసర్ ఆకాశ్ దీప్ను తీసుకోవడం లేదని చెప్పారు గంభీర్.
गुड पोजीशन टू बी इन और आई डोंट थिंक सो कि कुछ भी अंडर कंट्रोल नहीं है. सी देखिए आप जब ऐसे टॉस पे आते हैं तो ऐसा नहीं है कि बैटिंग ने अच्छा नहीं किया या बॉलिंग ने अच्छा नहीं किया. अगर बैटिंग ने और बॉलिंग ने अच्छा नहीं किया होता तो हम 2-1 नहीं होते, एक टेस्ट मैच नहीं जीते होते या 2-1 डाउन नहीं होते हम और वर्स्ट सिचुएशन में हो सकते थे. तो जैसे मैंने बोला कि आई डोंट थिंक सो कि इतना कुछ वरीसम है. देखिए पहली बात तो है कि सब इंडिविजुअल्स को पता है कि किस एरिया में काम करना है और ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ पर मैं कोई इंडिविजुअल्स के बारे में बात करूँ बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली आप एज ए टीम जीतते हैं और एज ए टीम ही हारते हैं. और जब आप अपने देश के लिए खेल रहे होते हैं तो हर व्यक्ति यही कोशिश करता है कि अपना मैक्सिमम कंट्रीब्यूट कर सके. तो वो इम्पोर्टेंट और ऐसा नहीं है कि जो डिबेट एक प्लेयर और कोच के बीच में होती है वो उनके ही बीच में रहनी चाहिए. आप सिर्फ रिजल्ट देखते हैं और फॉर्चुनेटली या अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये स्पोर्ट सिर्फ रिजल्ट के लिए ही जाना जाता है. बट कॉन्वर्सेशन जो होती है वो दो इंडिविजुअल्स के बीच में और वो ड्रेसिंग रूम के बीच में वो वहीं तक रहनी चाहिए. The thing is everything is fine with Rohit and I don't think so it's anything traditional. I think the head coach is there, that should be fine, that should be good enough. And we're going to have a look at the wicket and finalize it tomorrow. As I just said, we're going to have a look at the wicket and probably announce our playing 11 tomorrow. See, I'll tell you one thing. I think Indian cricket will always be in safe hands till the time we've got honest people sitting in that room. And honesty is the most important thing for any transition. And it is not about phasing out senior players or getting the youngsters in. Ultimately, the only thing that can keep you in that dressing room is the performance. And it starts from all of us, not only from the players, from the coaches as well. And I said that Indian cricket, the kind of talent there is in Indian cricket, I think we will always be in safe hands. Yes, there'll be times when we might not get the results. There'll be times where we will have to be patient. And more importantly, I think, rather than only criticizing the young players, I think we've got to give them time to develop as well. They'll end up becoming world-class players as well. And that is what is important. And it is the role of not only the support staff, but you people as well. How you can probably not only criticize them, but try and help them out as well. Transition is not only for us. Transition happens for the entire country and all of us are in it together.